We've made it here to Great Wolf Lodge. We're going in now. Justin's friends are here. And we're going to see what it's like inside. We're going to turn around here. This is usually a waterfall, but it's obviously not working in the winter. So we're going to go in, see what it's like, and see what this looks like on a very, very busy day. All right. So here we are inside. We just walked in. Nice and warm. I don't know why that was up so high. This is the check-in area. Very, very busy. Very loud. We are looking for Justin's friend and his mom. But here's the restaurant. A couple of restaurants here. Timbers, Fireside. We have a Hilton Grand Vacation. How you doing? Good, thank you.
I like that.
Fireside restaurant. Looks like they have a nice bar as well. Probably been like 7 years since we were last inside. Wow. Very busy. So you got Timbers, which I think is more of like a buffet style. There's also a large fireplace here. And then the water park is downstairs. There is, over here to the right, as you're walking in, is the Buckhorn Emporium. This is their merch shop. Not going to go inside. Not buying anything today. There's a Build-A-Bear workshop inside of there as well. Here's one of the Great Wolf bears and chairs. And then there's a look at the very, very crowded water park. Look at that wave pool. Dear. This place isn't built for this many people. They do have a water slide coaster here. I'm sure the kids will be on that. A lot of kid slides. Average age here at this Great Wolf is probably about under 9 years old for sure. But it's so fun. There is a birthday party set up here in Timbers. A lot of kids. So that's a look around the lobby here. Gonna head back now. Elevators. So yeah, we're just in the main building, main lobby, waiting for everybody, and we'll be good from there. Oh, they're here. All right. I'm gonna check in with them. Not gonna record.